Okay, let us solve number 4. So 49 can be written as 7 squared. Then just copy a squared. Then minus 169 can be written as 13 squared. Then copy b squared. Okay, so after that, you combined, we have 7a, the basis. So 7a, then raised to the common exponent, which is 2. Minus, we have 13b. So 13b, then raised to the common exponent, which is 2. So now it is in the form of u squared minus v squared. Okay, so our u, this is our u therefore, which is equal to 7a, and this is our v, which is 13b. Okay, so the factors therefore are u minus v. So our u is 7a minus v, where our v is 13b, and multiplied by 7a plus 13b. Okay, so these are the factors. That's it. So if you have any question, just leave your question or your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.